Now hear this. Chow down.
Oh, gee, Uncle Charlie, I was hoping we'd have pizza.
God, Uncle Charlie, why don't we ever have eggs? Barbecued eggs.
I tried it, but the eggs keep slipping through the grill. Look, you guys, what do you think this is, a restaurant or something?
Okay, simmer down. Hunt's to the rescue. Rob, for you? Hunt's new pizza flavor ketchup. Yeah, pizza flavor ketchup. For you, Chip, Hunt's new hickory flavor ketchup. Gives everything a swell new barbecue taste.
Even eggs.
Oh, Charlie, would you pass me the regular bottle of Hunt's? Hey, the hamburger does have pizza flavor, and so do the fries.
Montez barbecue.
Boy, ketchup and flavors. I wonder how Hunt's does it.
You want to know? Hunt's gets the flavors in ketchup the same way they get the big tomato in the bottle.
Oh, yeah.
Sheer genius.
Charlie.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you all next week.
On my 3 sons.
Meanwhile, here are my 3 ketchups.
Hunt's new hickory flavor. Hunt's new pizza flavor.
And regular Hunt's.
The ketchup with the big tomato taste.